Here's how to do bird dog core exercises. So first, we are going to come down on our hands and knees and then make sure our hand is directly below your shoulders. And for the level 1, we're going to start at one limb at a time in opposite pattern. We will do that in 5 repetitions per limb. In level 2, you will go back to your starting position with your hand directly under your shoulder, and this time we will lift 2 limbs off the floor. Starting with your right arm and left leg, hold the position for about 5 seconds, and slowly back to starting position. Then slowly raise your left arm and right leg. You will hold that position for about 5 seconds. Do this in 10 repetitions. This is very similar to level 2, but this time we are going to bend our elbow and knees right below our midsection. The goal here is to stay focused and stabilize. Don't try to go too fast, focus on your form. Do this in 10 repetitions slowly. You will first do the inward pulls and then you will pulse up with our leg and our arm to help target the glutes or back and also bring more in our core to strengthen it effectively. So that's how you will do a bird dog core exercises. Thanks for watching.